Ghana's Cocoa Board will use part of a $200 million World Bank loan to rehabilitate plantations destroyed by the cocoa swelling shoot virus, which reduces yields and kills trees. This was announced on February 16, 2024 by Emmanuel Opoku, Deputy Executive Director of the regulatory body. So far, the disease has wiped out some 500,000 hectares of farmland and reduced cocoa production in the West African country, the world's second largest producer after neighboring Ivory Coast. Ghana's production fell to 600,000 tons last year from a peak of 1,048 million tons in the 2020-2021 season as the cocoa swelling shoot virus, aging plantations, illegal mining and smuggling took their toll on the sector. A total of $132.8 million of the loan secured by the government last year and counterpart funding will finance Cocoa Board's rehabilitation of farms and help improve knowledge of the virus strains, according to a project information document. The agency will also take over farms affected by the disease, cut and replace diseased cocoa trees, and help them grow to a fruiting stage before returning them to farmers. Despite these production challenges, Ghana, however, expects its cocoa production to rebound by 24% to 850,000 tons in 2024 from a 13-year low of 683,000 tons last season.